No way! I've managed to start my stream. Hello everyone. That was a blast dealing with problems before the stream. For some reason OBS couldn't connect to the server, so I chose primary YouTube ingest server legacy RTMP in the settings, whatever that means, and that fixed the problem. Also, OBS asked me to update NVIDIA drivers, and I had to do this for 10 minutes or so. Okay, fuck, I forgot to open my PNG tuber model. Wait a sec. Like this. Yeah. Hello. Now, for sure. So, you'll ask me, why do you need one more 3D model of that little guy? You definitely showed us already a 3D model of him spinning around, and here on the screen there are at least 3 of them, can be even more, but that model is old. That model, it's old. I don't like it, to be honest. Yeah, it's good in some ways, but look at his hands, for example. It's just, well, it's not hands. This, on the other hand, is a hand, finally. And I made his legs so that I can animate them in the future. Yeah, I need that model to animate it. So, whoops. I didn't know I had some holes in it. I need to fix it. Hi, Siua, Sever, Meow, and Niak. Sorry for calling you a Siua. Okay, let me fix that real quick. I hope that will fix it. Nope. I guess I'll need to do this. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, look at him sitting. Isn't that cute? I think that's awesome. And yeah, you can see that I almost finished it. The only thing that's left is buttons here, eyes, mouth, and mustache, and also rigging. But I won't do rigging today, because that's fucking hard and I need to learn it beforehand. I can show you how he looks in color, if my blender won't crash from it. Why it's so hard to just turn on the render? Oh my god. It froze. You're going into 3D animation now? I started with 3D animation. Well, before I did 2D animation. I had a pretty interesting path. I done one 3D animation before I've done my first animation on that channel, before the name Troobs even existed. Here how it looks in color. Not finished yet, yes. His hands lack material, and he's almost all black. It will be fixed. But look, isn't he funny? So yeah, I'm going to make some 3D animations. This model I'll be using for a music video or something interesting that I'm not telling you about yet. Music made by Bilash and me, and that promises to be cool. And also I want to make an animation with Neuro, Evil and Vedal, so I'm going to make their models too. I can even show you how Vedal's model look. Well, it's just a block out. I wanted to, you know, capture his athletic posture. Also, he will have glasses, because I think that makes sense. And he's half bald. Yeah, it will be fixed. Maybe I even work on that model on that stream if I run out of things I need to do on my model. So yeah, that's how he will look like. I think I made a pretty interesting body. Okay, enough of just looking around. Let's model. What a cool dude. Yeah, he is indeed very cool. So, let me open my reference. Okay, now I can get started. And I'll start with the most simple thing. I need a button on his shirt. Let's do this. It shouldn't take a long time. Now I need to decide the size of it and how many there will be. Maybe I can fit 2? Yeah, I definitely can fit 2, but should I? Let's see. Yeah, it lagged. Awesome. Okay, you know what? I will lower overall quality a bit. Oops, maybe not like that. Here is a lot of quality, I guess, and maybe here. By the way, what if I can get away with just rim? Yeah, I totally can. Not only can, I should. Yeah, that looks good. Or maybe not in some cases. Yeah, okay, I won't. I highly doubt that this stream will be a lot of fun, but I'll try to make it a lot of fun. Because 3D modeling isn't very funny. 3D sculpting maybe, but I don't have anything to sculpt here. Okay, so 2 buttons. Yeah, 2 buttons looks good. So I deleted 1 button. Okay, how buttons look? I guess they have 2 holes. Yeah. Like, and how am I going to do this? Hmm. Should I even bother? Or maybe that's enough. Yeah, you know, that's enough. I don't need to... I don't need it to have a lot of geometry, to be honest. I want it to be very cartoonish. Nope, not like that. Like that. Yep. Lower. And, oops. Okay, now the hard part, which I left for later. So I need to make him a mouth and eyes. Eyes are not that complicated. Let's start with them. So what will I need for eyes? First of all, I'll probably need a circle. Yep. Let's try to keep it high density for now. VTuber model, I'm not going to tell you yet. That's gonna be a surprise. Let's have a mirror. And how far away they should be from each other? I don't know, maybe like that. Whoops. So, what? Like that. Okay, nice. This looks weird now, but I promise it will be better. Okay, I want this part to be attached to the skull. So shrink wrap. This and this. Okay, nice. And inside maybe? A bit like that. Okay. And this circle will control the eyes form, the eyes shape. And honestly, it will be probably very hard to do. Maybe having some sphere inside would help, but I'm not sure. They should be on opposite sides of the head to look out for predators. I mean, this is a predator. Doesn't it look like it's going to hunt you down? I think it looks very ominous. So, maybe I'll need to sculpt here. Probably. I have no idea how I'm going to make this rigged. Like, literally no idea. Oops. But somehow I need to do this. Okay, let's make it the same on X. Yep. That surely does look bad right now. Okay, maybe I should add a little bit of subdivision and a loop cut here. Wouldn't say that it helped, even remotely. So... Oh, I think I knew... I know what's wrong. Yep. Okay, now it's a bit better. But still quite shit. Now what, maybe I... Let me do this. Duplicate. Why I cannot apply it? Oh, I can. Okay. Now it's slightly more convenient to work with. So I'll tell you maybe a bit about my plans. I want... Wait a second. I want to make my VTuber debut. And I'm cooking some things before I can do this. Obviously I need a model, which is in progress right now. Well, not right now. Or maybe it is. Who knows? And I also need to make some animation. I don't want to just make a stream where I talk and tell some very, very fascinating lore. I want something real on my debut stream, so I'm cooking content. You know what? Let me see. This guy had eyes that I am actually pretty satisfied with. Maybe I can just steal them. Let me see. How do those eyes operate? Wow. That makes sense. Can I just borrow it to here? Yep, I can. What is happening? What's that's for? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't remember how it works. Okay. I have a slight idea. All debut streams should contain a full playthrough of the Game Desert boss. You're sure about it? I'm not... I don't know if I have enough time to do this. Okay, let's hide that thing for now and take that. Why it works like that? Why can I just... Okay, I can. You're gonna debut on YouTube or Twitch? I'm thinking about both. Don't know how I'm gonna manage the logistics of it. But I'll think of something. Okay, maybe it should be deeper. Oh, oops, not like that. Okay, I want to make it higher. So there are people on YouTube that watch me, obviously. I have some audience already. Let me see how many people. 2,800 to be exact. And that's some audience. Yeah, right now on stream, on that stream, there are only 7 people. But 7 people is already quite better than 0, for example. And 0 people is what I probably should expect from my Twitch stats. But if I'll manage to somehow transfer somebody, like from Twitter or someone else, somewhere else, then Twitch has its own benefits. For example, I can be raided by someone, and Twitch has some Twitch TV emotes, which is quite good. I want it. I want to have it. It uses the material from... Oops. Once again, my Blender froze. Okay, it's back now. It uses that material, but I want that material. Okay. Maybe I can borrow, or maybe... Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that now. The Troobs, yeah, that's how they will call me in history books. The Troobs. Imagine if Vettel rates you. That would be cool. Okay. Whoa. Wait. Okay. I remembered. Yeah. I have that thing set up. Okay. So, what I have here is called shape keys, which allows me to have my basic state of one mesh and some others state of that mesh. Like here's the mesh and here's the squinch state, and I can interpolate between them. So it can be useful for animation, but I think I'm gonna have a rig for that. Rig is a skeleton, basically, for your model, and when you move bones, you control some points on your mesh. And that is more... how do I say it? That provides more control. Is Vettel even live right now? No, he isn't. Right now he is on vacation, or maybe already not, I don't know. He said that he's gonna have a good big vacation after the subathon. And when did subathon ended? I don't remember. Which date was it? Okay. I want eyes to look a bit different. And actually, you know what? Nope. Yep, like that. Okay, okay. I want them to be round. Object has non-uniform something. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, they are more rounded now. And I also want them to be turned like that. Can I hide that for some time? I don't want to see it. There's some problem with those eyes, because my head is very, very angled, like backwards. You see this thing? Usual faces are like... You see? There's no angle. It's just straight, and my is like that. Which means that eyes look very weirdly from front view. As you can see. Like, what the hell is this? The only view from which they look okay is top view. I mean, that makes sense for that creature because it's small, and probably people will look like that on this thing, but I need it in animation, and I'll probably will have some shots from front, so let me fix that somehow. It's pretty hard to work with, to be honest. Eh? Okay. Maybe what I should do is just have the eyes, have the eyelids be closer to center and maybe tilt it like that. Yeah, that helps. That surely does help. Now I want to make it round. Yeah, things are so much easier when you just draw them in 2D. But in 3D you need to account all the possible angles. Which is ass. Okay, I probably should actually look at it in color, but first I need to make this white. Okay, let's make it white. The eyes of Rice Bowl Man protrude out of the skull like a frog. Yeah, there it does. I need a texture, and I already set it up all this. So okay, new texture. I'll just call it mask, and I hope I can get away with having it with making it a very small texture, like 500 on 500. Color black. Yeah, alpha. I don't need alpha. Okay, new image. Let's draw it. 3D viewport. I need material. And you know what? Wait. It's very laggy for some reason. Okay. I don't see a thing. Let me make this white. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, let's draw. Texture paint. I want this to be image editor. It doesn't know which image to choose. Mask. Okay, let's paint. With white. Yeah, no, it's red. Whoops. Okay, I need this to be black. Ooh, okay. That's not bad. I know what to do with it. Can fill bucket? No. It can't. How do I... Yeah, like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is plug it here. Let me see this. That. And now you see that white group here. It's actually black, so I need to make it white. Let's start with the most bright color. I think I'll just make it white. That should be slightly gray, and that should be very gray. Yeah, like that. And now I just... You know what? I don't think I actually need this. Maybe I can just have this and here also. Okay, I won't delete it. I'll just... Oops, everything froze again. I don't know why it's freezing now. Wasn't freezing before, but guess my computer is that shit. Okay. Yeah, he's covered in white paint, but it's very easy to fix. So okay, I think it's good. Is Steam downloading something? No, I don't even have it opened, and even if it was downloading anything, it would just affect my internet connection and disk, not the Blender, because it's just running out of memory or CPU or GPU, I don't know, something like that. I don't see any shadows on. Okay, I see now. Maybe I'll add some color to them, but later. I wondered. Well, I know in fact that would work, but yeah, good. Okay. Now I need to fix the fact that there are white paint on some parts, and this is very easy fixable. I just need to make this and call it like that. And now I just get rid of all of this. Here you go. Though no though. Everything is fine, everything is good. Maybe I don't even need suit, because I use it for everything that is black. For this. Okay. Now I need the same thing but with white. Already made a material that is called white, but I'll just do it like that. Troobs white. Okay. Go here, get rid of all of this. And now apply it to everything that is white. Okay. Materials. It didn't work. Where? Oh, that should be black. Yeah. Okay, it's starting to take shape. Very nice. Is he gonna have jiggle physics? I don't know how to set jiggle physics in Blender. Maybe it will. But, you know, I will animate him jiggling by hand. Anyway, so, yeah. Okay, I have some problem. Or maybe I don't. It looks okay. I don't like the fact that you can barely see where the color is and where the face is, but it will probably be fixed by a thing that I'm going to add. So let's set it up real quick. Okay. View, camera to view, nice. And now, grease pencil, scene line art, actually collection line art. Okay, now get it here. And you know what? this and this shouldn't be here at all. Scene collection. Yeah. New collection. Troobs. Like that. Okay. Nice. Now, where I do... What? Okay, here. Troops. And it doesn't work. Doesn't work. I need to... It doesn't work at all. Why? I don't understand. Intersections, yeah. But what about counter? Why doesn't it work? Because it still chooses hand for some reason. Oh my god. Okay. Line thickness. Like that. Okay. Do I like it? Do I hate it? I don't know. I surely do want to make it slightly grayish. Maybe I need to add a bit of noise. Noise. Not like that though. That's very harsh noise. Bit of thickness noise. And now I want to scale it. Okay. Look at him. Does he appear drawn to you? Probably not because of the shadows. But if I remove them, I don't see a thing. Fuck. If I just make black things black and white things white, it will look like just drawn. But I need to set it up for everything, so I won't do this. Okay. Later, maybe. So if you're wondering how I'm having a line art in 3D, the camera, you see, projecting, and it, with some algorithm, sees where the contours should be, and it adds it with oops, there should not be line. How do I remove it? Intersections. It fixes some problems but adds new ones. I don't know how to fix it, but okay. What the huh? Why the hell? Okay. I think that looks good enough. But maybe I'll make lines thinner. Maybe I should take materials from my last model. I made some really good materials back then. I mean, I'm still able to make good materials, I just didn't put much effort into those. Okay, now I have colors set up, and you know what, I need to save the image because it's probably not saved. Yes, because Blender doesn't save your images when you hit Ctrl S. You need to save it separately from your project file. There is an add-on that which fixes it, but I don't have it installed because I updated my Blender and I got everything lost. Okay, let me renew my memory. How his eyes work? Does he has? Yeah, he has a separate group, though I don't understand how it works. Okay, here's an eye socket. Here's an eyeball. I have an eyeball. No way. Yeah, I totally have an eyeball. Here it is. And oof. That's not very good. But I can do something with it. Okay, how the eyeball looks like. It's actually just a hemisphere. I would even call that just a lens. Okay. Do I need that here? Whoops. What the hell? I should not have done this. What happened? You have fucking animation. Oh, holy shit. Clear iframes, clear keyframes, clear keyframes, and where the hell are you now? In his ass. Nice. Okay, I need to set it up once again. It had animation frames, so when I changed the position, it just returned back to what it was. Don't understand how it works. How it looked like before. I don't remember. Can I, like, I don't know, maybe like that? No. What if I smooth it? smooth it a bit. No, it definitely was the other way around, but why would I care anymore? Yeah, it was just the other way around. Like there? Whoops. Why did it do what it have done? Holy shit. Fucking keyframes. Why did it copy it with keyframes? That just ruined everything. Everything. I think it was like that. I don't know why. But it was. Okay. Fixed? Question mark? I'm not sure about it. I remember it to be more rounded. And actually more far away. It's very hard to make it look like on reference. But I want it to look like reference, because reference is pretty good. Though the eyes were bigger in the reference. Oh, no, like that. Okay, bigger. Maybe my face was bigger in the reference. That is also a possibility. Sometimes I do 3D modeling and think, why do I do this that rarely? 3D modeling is so much fun, and sometimes I have problems like this, and I think that I'm very grateful of my 2D art career. I don't know. Do you guys think we can just stuff Troobs in seaweed and turn him into an onigiri? No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Imagine the taste. You don't want to imagine the taste. I have a feeling that my eye is currently... Nice. Very cool. I don't need that shit. There's the lettuce. Here it is. Okay, I pulled it off and I lost it. Let me make a new collection, call it I. Nice. Here is my lettuce. I want it to show up. Maybe I should just... Do I need it as, well, as lettuce, or maybe I can... Holy shit. Though I understand why I don't have it as lettuce. Whoa. What happened here? Kill. You know what? Maybe I should... Oh, I can't. Nice. Okay. Why? Modify cannot be applied to a mesh with shape keys. Okay, no more shape keys then. I don't need them. What now? Shape keys. I don't have shape keys. What are you talking about? Or you count bases as shape key. Okay. Here you go. Now it is slightly more... What the hell is happening? I don't under... Oh. I think I do understand what is happening here. Hello, Mr. MK7. And everyone else who I didn't greet. Hello, everyone. Maybe I should add... Or maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Who knows? Not me. Okay, so... It will look like shit while I have those polygons extrude more than they should be. Okay, now it's slightly better, but still there's some shit that I should fix. Okay, maybe I should fix that in that mode. What if I make it closer? Okay, how does it look? Not good. Let me fix that. That's so painful. And what is more painful is the way it looks. Oh, shit. Huh. Maybe I should make it from the scratch. Wait, I have a call. I'm back. The eye looks like an unhooked onion ring. Uncooked onion ring. Maybe it does, and I want to make a new one. Maybe I'll try fewer polygons. well, not polygons, the words, yeah. I understood how I made the AI before, so now, wait, you know what, I don't think I need actually any rotation. I'll keep it like that. Oops. Something like this. And now I'll expand it and go into the skull. I think I don't need that right now. Yeah, that looks bad right now, but trust me, it will be better. Probably. Yeah. Yeah. I just made eyes very big. Okay. I don't know why they are so, well, you know, going out from the skull. What about this? Yeah, that still looks like shit, but I can do something with it. I probably understand why I added letters back then, but what if I just use simple deform? Not like that, obviously. Maybe like that. No, looks like shit. Maybe like that. But what is even happening? No. I don't fucking understand how simple deform works still. How do you fucking work simple deform? Okay, fuck that simple deform guy. Okay, it's pretty hard to judge how does it look if there is just one eye. So I'll add second one. And it needs this. Maybe a bit of creasing. Know about it. No, I think I made it very big. Made it smaller. Probably. Where is it? Oh. Got it. Yep. Remember I had on previous model I had a nice little shadow here. And what is this noise? What the fuck is this? Why it's happening? It looks ugly. That's fucking weird. I don't know why it's happening. I have some ideas, but... Okay. It totally does not look like my reference yet. Maybe a bit of sculpting will help. Maybe it will. Or maybe not. Okay, the first thing that I want to say is... that thing kills the fucking form of the A very badly. I think I really will be better off without some edges like this. It would help a lot, like really a lot. Let me add a bit of curve here. Okay. Starting to look better, I think. Yeah, it's okay. I think I won't be bothered by it by now. I'll make it look good on the rigging phase. Okay, now I need an UV sphere. In the eye, right in the eye. And a very interesting problem I have now. I need to somehow squish that sphere into that eye so it looks reasonable. How do I do it? You may ask. With fucking lattice. Where's lattice? Here it is. How does lattice work? It's well, it's a cage for your mesh, which like sets up boundaries, and you can add some things like that to it, and when you will move the vertices in your lattice, it will deform your mesh. Whoops, whoops, like that. And what's funny about it is that I can now rotate that sphere and okay, you'll see why it's good. I will add white. I will make that black. And now I can rotate that sphere. And it will be flat. Now I just need to fit it right into that socket. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Alt P, clear parent. Whoops. Alt P, clear parent, and keep transformation. So yeah, now I can move that sphere. And this looks so complicated. It can get more complicated. That's what I'll tell you. Now let's just duplicate it and mirror it. It didn't mirror like I needed to. Whoops. Here you go. Now let's add some empty sphere. Oops, some empty sphere. Add a constraint track 2. What track 2 means is that our I will fuck. Okay. Our eye will track the object it needs to. Though the problem is now if our guy needs to look in front of him, he will have very big troubles with it. Yeah, I need to do something with it. Whoops. Yeah, it works, but his eyes are very tilted. I need to do something with it because he looks very silly right now. Okay, you know what? I guess I have an answer to my problem. Does it have any rotation if I remove it? Okay. 0. No, not 0. 90. Yep. It didn't change anything. Okay, if I apply the rotation, now I need to choose new. Okay, not that. That maybe. Okay, I could just get deeply into this and understand what the fuck all that means, but I don't remember, so let me just randomly click it. Did not help at all. Okay, no, not like that. Let's say that this thing is totally in front of us. If I rotate the sphere like this, okay, it will look better. Okay, that is very bad way to do it. Okay, let me delete this. Oops, not this thing, this thing, and this thing. And hide that for now. I need to somehow make the eye more perpendicular to the ground, which I tried before, but then I've made a new eye and for some reason I forgot to do it. Okay. Now, can you show me the thing? Oh, it was here all the time. Lettuce, also need lettuce, and rotate it. What if I just make, yeah, you know, can make that sphere smaller. Not that sphere, I can make that thing square. No. What should I do? Oh, complicated. Okay, what if I make it less deformed? What if I reset all of this? Now I have more control over it. Why it looks like that? No, not that. Huh? What the hell, man? I made something bad. I probably need a new sphere. Okay, now... Uh-huh. Can I... return it to how it was? What the hell? Oh, that has negative scale for some reason. Now what real eyes are actually look like that. A bit. Okay, wait. White material here and white material here. That's our eye. Nice. Now I can manipulate that thing and it will look like shit. How do I make the pupil better? I don't know. Somehow. Okay, I'll add this thing here. And when I need to make the pupil smaller, I'll do it somehow. Okay, is this the maximum size of the pupil I'll need? Probably not. Probably I'll need bigger size. I know what I should do and how I should do it. So I'll make it sometime later. Maybe I should redone the lattice as well. Okay, lattice. Make it smaller to fit the whole eye. Now lattice, this lattice, and I can, whoops, I can squish it. Okay. I'll try to explain why did I just redid the eye when I already had it. So at some point I accidentally made it look the other way, not front, but slightly angled, and I could fix it by hand, by eye, but it wouldn't be very how do you say it, very accurate, so I just made a new eye. Okay, what I can do is bring that here. Does look bad? It does look weird. Very weird. Whoops. Okay, what if I can see a thing, bring that closer. That looks bad. There is another way of how I can animate his eyes. I don't need them to be spheres. Sphere is just very convenient because I can rotate it and animate an eye with that. But there is a drawback of having to deal with the real 3D form of a sphere. So I can just add a pupil and not give a fuck. Like this. Make it black. Rotate it 90 degrees. Put it here. Here. Maybe I'll rotate a bit like this. And I don't know. I can also stick it to the what? Project maybe? Front, back, negative, side, on surface. Why it doesn't work? Oh yeah, I need to choose axis. But it still doesn't work like I need. What the hell? Oh, maybe I know why. Because that's a... yeah. I know why. And probably won't work. Okay. So I can just have a pupil, and whenever I need to look it the other way, I can... No, it will look like shit, like total shit. I need a sphere for it to look good, but I need... How it was done before here. How it was done. I remembered how it was done. It was done by hemisphere and a very big eye socket. And also I had a very small like eye here. Also, I think those things should be closer. And maybe a bit like that. Now I can make this. Whoa, caught the stream. Yeah, you caught the secret stream. I don't promise that this stream will be interesting in the slightest, because I'm working on something very tedious right now. I'm just making some random noises of frustration and not providing any interesting talking. Maybe I just need to make these things smaller. Well, I was able to sit through 30 minutes of any playing League, so another 30 minutes, then badge time. Okay. So I'm working out on that model right now. That's how it looks. I had an old model which looked like that, but I don't like it. And I need a new model for an animation. So this model should be more suited for animation. And now I'm struggling with eyes. Because I don't only need to make them look good on one occasion, I also will have to animate those eyes, and then I'll have to... I don't know what. Yeah, nothing else, just animate them. I too. Here you go. Maybe a bit to that side. Duplicate collection. Where is it? Here it is. Select objects. Cursor to world origin. Here you go. Now I'll add a constraint. Constraint. Yeah, like that. Okay, track to this thing. Let me have it closer. Will you add a cigar low? Well, no. Cigar is not a part of his regular design. So maybe if I'll need to make him smoke something, then I'll add a cigar. Okay. That's him looking forward. It's okay. That's him looking up. Yeah, his second eye will be looking too. Okay, he can look now. But sometimes it looks weird. Okay. Because this thing is too close. Now it will look okay. Okay, nice. I remember I said that the ice would be easier. Maybe. Maybe. But I don't know, they were pretty damn hard right now. But I still need to make a mouth, and the mouth can be even more challenging. First of all, I don't have polygons where I need, and I'll probably have to use my subdivide modifier. Yeah, that's sad. But okay. Here's another one. Before I... Okay, let me hide that thing, because I hate it. And those things. Okay. Before I add a mouth, I need mustaches. Because without them it will be pretty damn hard to understand. Don't forget to hydrate. Thank you. Yeah, I almost forgot to hydrate. It should be black. And maybe I'll add some subdivision to make it more to make it more smooth. Does it look good? I don't know. I'll probably want some here. Yes. Okay. And they will be floating on his face. Okay. Looking good. Probably. At least looking close to original. Maybe not, actually. Let me do this. Okay. Should I add rig to the mustaches also? I should. They will move with the mouth a bit. I don't know how I will manage this. Okay. Maybe a bit slimmer. Yeah, okay. I think that's good. Now the mouth. The mouth is the most trickiest part. You have no idea how tricky it is. If I want to make it 3D, I can just put an image of a mouth like I did with mustaches, just some plain, and call it a day. I can. Maybe even I should, but I want a 3D mouth because I'll need a 3D mouth for my next animation, and because of those reasons I want to have some you know, have some practice. Okay. Now let's go deeper. Huh. I can't understand one thing. Oh, I can now. Should be here. I'm making a mouth bag right now. Huh? Okay, that's probably cause, whoops, cause of that. No. Okay, now why that happening, and I will fix it later. Though, why later? I can fix it now. Okay. Hide. Now that. Maybe I even make a new material for that. Some very dark red. And he will need teeth. Okay, teeth. Teeth are hard too, honestly, because that character has some... What hell is happening here? This character has some very, very bad teeth. So... I don't know. It may look very weird. I'll probably need a bevel for my teeth. And maybe that's all. Maybe I don't need anything else except bevel. Make it bigger though. Okay. Oops, no. I want them to be white. Though, maybe Maybe not white. Maybe I want them to be black. Okay, wait. I remembered one little thing. I want that to be black. Like that. It looks very bad. Maybe that will help? No, that doesn't help. Okay, then I will need to make it with the texture. Probably. Because it looks very bad right now. No, maybe it looks bad because didn't even... Wait, that shouldn't stick. That also shouldn't. Okay, I created some bad topology right here, and I need to fix it somehow. And I don't have any idea, so how am I going to do this? Really, how? Maybe I don't need to, actually. It won't be visible with that material. So why would I bother? Whoa. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to move sun. No, it will be visible. Fuck. Okay, then I'll need to fix it. Maybe I'll fix it like that. No, even better. I know even better solution. Like that. Eh? Isn't that good? No, it isn't good. It's still bad. It's still bad. Because of those triangles. And what can I make with those triangles? I can make them not triangles. And it won't help in any way. Good night, yo. Good luck. Yeah, and good night to you. What can I do here? What if I just... No. Okay. J. 1, 2, 3, 4. J. Yeah, that looks like shit too. Hmm. What can I do about that topology? Not good with topology, as you can tell. What if I do this? Faces. Now I need to fix the inside somehow. And how do I do this? Like this. It fixed. Or maybe not. Okay. But what if I just make that black? Now you still can see that this is bad. And no amount of subdivision help. That's actually weird. Ah, because it's turned off. Obviously. Okay, some amount of subdivision actually does help. Wait. Oh, I like when my statistics on the bottom bags like this. Will the statistics be more accurate? Yes, it will be. No, it won't. What the hell is wrong with those statistics? They don't help at all when they're bugged. Okay. I'd like to know how many polygons does it create when I make it on third level of subdivision, though second and third doesn't really look very different, so I may as well go with the second. Though second may be very overkill. Yeah. This dude probably doesn't need that much polygons. Maybe if I just... yeah, I can't add polygons here. That doesn't help. Right, what is happening here? One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whoops. Okay, his lips shouldn't be that big, but that's already some good improvement. Okay, that's now better. Yeah. I think that's what I needed. Okay. Now I need to add more teeth. You know what would help a lot? If I removed half of his body. Or maybe it won't help. Because now I don't understand where the teeth should be. Hmm. The teeth should be bigger. That tooth should be bigger. Yep, like that. And that should be actually rotated a bit. I can see a thing inside that mouth. Who would have thought? Okay. I actually have a reference of how his teeth should look. Let me find it. That's how. Okay. Apparently, I did not add bottom teeth, so he just has those teeth. Okay. Would be very good to see with mouth being able to open, but it's not an option yet, so yeah, we'll have to wait until I have a rig. But overall, that model is finished, besides rigging and maybe some minor tweaks. Let me make world slightly more bright. Let the world be a bright place to live in. What is that? Is that just okay. I need to fix it somehow. Texture paint. Okay, I can fix it. Yeah, that's very fixable. I don't see what I'm doing, but I rely on the feeling. Okay. Good enough. I mean, that's the shirt, the color that I'm looking at, not the texture, so it's fine. Oops. Should not have touched that. Okay. Nice. Wait, not nice. I need to say the texture. Okay, I can do this here. I need to go to the other tab. Image editor. Image. Save. Okay. Look at him. Just look at him. He can look. He can't talk yet, but he will. He can sit. Yeah, when he's sitting, he's so cute. He can also... Oops. Let me do this. Yeah, his arms need some work still. I mean, the placement of them. It's not a big deal because I'll do this in rig. So yeah. I still want to work on eyes somehow. But maybe I can just hit the hay and call it a day. But yep, he's halfly finished. Can he spin though? That's a good question. Let me see if he can spin. Okay. Whoops. Okay, that should be 90. That should be 0. That should be also 0. Or maybe not. Wait. I did not intend to delete it. Now, look at me go. I need animation thing, timeline thing. How many frames will we need? I think 100 will do. And whoops, that is not doing what I wanted to do. What the hell? Where is it? Now it does what I want to do. But here it doesn't. What the hell? Oh, I understand. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I can't do this like that. I need to set up a fucking empty and shit. Let's do this real quick. Control P, keep transform. I 360. And we turn the line art on. We hide all the things that we don't need and play. Yeah, he can totally spin. He looks so silly with those eyes looking down. How can I change it? There's the thing. Maybe this? Yeah, this. No. Here you go. That was more complicated than no, it actually wasn't more complicated than I've imagined it. I had a pretty good understanding of how complicated it will be, and I haven't even started the rig yet, and rig is the hard part. Not the hardest maybe, but it will need a lot of time and preparation. I don't know how to do rig properly, so I need to study that. But the model is finished. It even can spin. Okay, but I don't need all that spinning right now, so I'll just make it disappear. Okay, and his legs needs to be like this. Wait. I remember that his legs were looking like that when it changed. Yeah, like that. Okay. Doesn't he look ominous when you seeing him from that angle? I think he does. Okay, let me... Although, maybe I shouldn't. Okay, I'll make it later. So... Now I need to do rig, and then I'll be able to do the animation I need. And after that, I'll have my debut. Oh, I'm tired. I think you could tell that long ago by my tired voice. Where's my model? Here it is. All the time I was streaming without my model. Wait, it's so funny looking. Wait, I'll turn that on. How many Troobs are on screen right now? Yeah, that looks scary. Oh, yeah. That's funny. Okay, see ya later. Maybe I will stream one more time, or maybe even few more times before my debut stream, but probably not, because I have some more important things to do. So yeah, if you don't want to miss my debut stream, it probably, well, not probably, definitely will be more interesting than that stream. I'm not going to 3D model on my debut stream. I will do some more interesting stuff. Yeah, if you want to see that and not miss, click that bell button. Yeah, I'm not a YouTuber, I don't know how they do this. I'm surely will make a post on my community tab on YouTube and on Twitter. You can, by the way, sub to my Twitter, follow my Twitter. Is it in the description? Probably not. Oh, I can just send you a link. And here you go, a link to my Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.